Good evening, everyone. Um, I'm Rohit Bhangre Chaudhary. I am doing my master's in English from DU. And in the honor of my country, I have written this poetry. The poetry starts: The voice of my country, oriental to the wind, speaks of tongues unique to the lost traveler, a mother's chest. You can hear the beating heart of millions as you touch the soil. A country like my India, a country with a modest attire. To the north, it's the home of the Sindh, the Himalayas. By the west, it's the colorful Banjaras in the desert. To the east of it, our hearts pure, the tapestry of the southern forest. A country with a cure, a motherland divinely pure. Thank you.